Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a subtle ombre using Forever and Always and Message in a Bottle. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to air dry. Apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky Pink Builder Gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Using Forever and Always, apply a thin coat to the bottom half of your nail. Using Message in a Bottle, apply a thin coat to the top half of your nail and cap the free edge. Using your ombre brush, lightly stroke the two colors up and down to blend them together. Continue until you are happy with the blend. Using Forever and Always and your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed to the bottom half before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Using top coat, apply a thin coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.